driving a double-decker bus. So many toy cars! Wow! The first one, a yellow school bus. Wow! It's flying into the bus! Amazing! Yay! The second car is a red fire engine. Yoo-hoo! Nice! The fire engine is now inside the bus. What kind of car is that? It's ambulance. The ambulance is inside the bus. The first deck is now full. What kind of car is that? It's a dump truck. Wow! It's so high up. Great. Now's the turn of the police car. Wonderful. Yoo-hoo! The police car is inside the bus. Yay! Look, a train. What color is it? Right, it's a train. It's flying to the second deck. Yay! Perfect. Wow, what's that? It's a tractor. Yay! Go on! Nice! The bus is now full! Yoo-hoo! Wow! An amusement park! Look! A baby and a train! Great! A red button! A red fire engine! Nice! A green button! A green combine harvester! Wonderful! A yellow button! A yellow double-decker bus. Wow! A purple button. A purple tow truck. So nice! A black button. A black and white police car. Great! Wow, a teal button. A teal crane truck. Wonderful! orange button. An orange dump truck. Nice. A violet button. A violet tractor. Wow! A white button. A white ambulance. Great! So nice. A blue button. A big blue Jeep. Wow! That was fun. Bye-bye, baby. Wow, 2 babies at the amusement park. They are riding on a seesaw. So fun! Now the girl is riding on the swing. She's going to ride down the slide. They're having so much fun. Now they're riding the swings together. Wow! Another slide. The boy is on the roundabout. Now they're playing together. Yoo-hoo! Wow! It's a carousel. Yoo-hoo! Now they're jumping on the trampoline. Yee-hee! Wow! A small train. Great! Bye-bye, babies.
Yellow.